Welcome to 7603 Burnside Loop in Pensacola, Florida. This home resides in the community of Anaheim. It is a gated community that also has sidewalks and a community pool as well. We do have a 3-car garage here on this home. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home with a true mother-in-law suite. Super excited to show you guys this extra bonus that this house has. We do have all brick exterior here, as well as a Vivant security system on the exterior of the home and doorbell as well. There are hurricane coverings as well on this home, and it is just under 2,800 square feet. Keyless entry on the front door for easy access. And coming into the foyer area here, we do have our first bedroom on our right hand side, but I wanted to take you through the main living space of the home first. Vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire living area of this house and carpet in the bedrooms. We have a wonderful spacious formal dining area with tray ceilings and recessed lighting. Blinds throughout this home with tray ceilings in the living room. High ceilings as well, giving for a nice spacious feel. Wonderful open floor plan here. We have granite countertops with a large island. You could get probably about seating for 5 or 6 here, with some additional storage just underneath the island. Stainless steel appliances with a 5-burner cooktop gas stove, built-in microwave with pantry, and upgraded sink feature as well here on the faucet. Something unique to this refrigerator, the bottom right-hand side here can be used as a freezer or additional fridge space, which I thought was pretty interesting. Awesome bonus feature to have. And we do have 2 dining areas in this house. As you can see, there is a table that seats 6 here in the breakfast nook area with plenty of additional space. So we do have a split floor plan here, with the primary suite just off the kitchen, giving a little bit of privacy for this primary suite. Tray ceilings and recessed lighting, very spacious in here. This is a king-size bed. So if you needed extra space for a Peloton or additional office space, you definitely have that option in this primary suite here. Into the spacious bathroom, we have a wonderful garden tub with lots of natural light coming in from this window. Handicap accessible shower with dual shower heads. As you can see, we have the seamless entry here on the floor. Double granite vanity with a walk-in closet, water closet, and linen closet for additional storage. And we do have that handicap bar here in the commode area as well. Another bonus to this house that the sellers have gone ahead and added, as they have upgraded all of the closets with wood shelving, double reinforced, and they've actually added another bar in there, so there's tons of storage space in there. Now I'm going to move you over into the 2 front bedrooms here that share a Jack and Jill bath. So here we have our first bedroom here. Nice spacious bedrooms. They have upgraded to all ceiling fans in the bedrooms as well. And then into our Jack and Jill bath, we have a double granite vanity here with a separate shower tub combo and a linen closet as well. So nice setup here. And this flows nicely into the bedroom that I pointed out when I first came into the house on the video. So here's our front bedroom. And now onto the in-law suite here. This is such a wonderful bonus to have. So many people are looking for this, and it's kind of unique and hard to find. We have an 18 by 12 living space here, just massive, with tray ceilings. So they could have their own living room here, separate from the bedroom. And then into the bedroom. This suite does have a walk-in closet as well. As you can see, they're getting packed up to move here. And into the bathroom. So we have a granite vanity and then the shower tub combo here as well. Just a really unique feature. And again, all the closets have been upgraded as well. There is a list on the MLS of full upgrades that the owners have done. Just off to our right here, we have our garage entry to our 3-car garage. It also has additional wire shelving that has been added. So there's tons of storage in there, and an oversized laundry room. They have added this additional storage space as well, and all this cabinetry. And we do have a powder room over here that is eco-friendly. It has the dual flush technology on that with the handicap bars as well. And then out into the backyard here, I did want to point out that we are 3 miles to Navy Federal, 2 miles to Publix, and 2 miles to Beulah Elementary. There is also a nature trail located in this neighborhood as well. It's backed up to a sanctuary. So we have a nice covered patio here with some stairs that go down to the backyard. It does have a Rainbird sprinkler system that has been upgraded by the owners as well. I'll take you down here, give you a peek at the back of the house. All right, so I'll take you back inside and give you one last peek at the main living area and kitchen. They have also added this screen here. They say they really enjoy having this open so they can hear all the birds chirping and not let the bugs in with this little screen addition. So they've gone ahead and added a lot, including the backsplash above the 5-burner gas stove here as well. So again, please let us know if you'd like to see it. We'd love to set up a showing on this gorgeous home for you. Again, this is going to be 7603 Burnside Loop in Pensacola, Florida.